Hello, my friends, and welcome back. In this section, we're going to build this amazing app called the Chat application. This application contains many concepts. I want from you to focus with me in order to master Firebase concepts and MVVM. This application contains many activities. At first, we have this login activity, and we'll learn about anonymous login and authentication system in Firebase. Then it will be directing you to the groups activity. This activity will display the groups available for chatting in Firebase. So we have two groups, family and university. And inside the family, there are a lot of messages. You can create new chat groups here by adding a new chat group. I'll name it as friends, create chat group, and you can see it will be added directly to Firebase console. Also, if you select the group, the app will direct you to the chat activity, and inside this chat activity, it will display your messages in purple and the other messages in gray. Let me test. Send. You can see I'm sending it and it's displaying the purple color. If I select another device, you can see that's in purple because in this device, I'm not the owner of these messages. So we're going to implement these concepts. We're going to learn these amazing concepts in a professional application following the MVVM architecture, model, view, view model. So are you ready to build this amazing app? Yes, I think so. Let's start building this amazing app.